Hi, it's Darnell with Waylo Recipes, and today I'm going to be grilling some chicken breasts in the NuWave Todd English Pro Smart Grill. So let's get cooking right now. So here I have 2 chicken breasts. Total it's less than a pound. It's like 8/10 of a pound total. And for anyone who thinks, oh, these chicken breasts are really small, I'll just say get to know your farmer. And once you learn about things being put in food, you might like smaller chicken breasts too. But moving on, going to go ahead and start warming up the cooker here. So I'm hitting the grill button, and I'm going to take the cooking time down to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And the cooking time I'm going to take down to 10 minutes. And we'll see if, Lord willing, they'll cook up in just 10 minutes. I'm not going to use a probe or anything because I just want to wing it and see how it goes. That's why. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start there. And for seasoning, I'm going to use some Old Bay seasoning and some lemon pepper seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and get these seasoned up while things are warming up there in the cooker. Alright, got things seasoned up. Going to open up here and get things on in. See if I can get anything here. Let's see. There we go. Close it on up. Gonna let it run for about 5 minutes on this side, then flip things over. See if things cook up further on the other side after that. Alright, 5 minutes left. Go ahead and flip them over. See, we got some Mylar on there. Looking good. Let them go for 5 more and see what we get. Alright, time is up. I'm going to take my Thermapen and try and do a quick check. This one here was 145. That one's 138. So, looks like we're a little short as far as doneness. So, I guess we can give them another, maybe I'll flip them again now. I'll just give them another 5. So, getting things a little closer for you to see, a little easier. So take it back down to 400 again, and just do another 5 minutes. That should knock it out. Gonna skip the preheat by hitting the preheat button, and we'll let it run for 5 more, and then we'll see what we got. Alright, 15 minutes total. We'll see what we got now. Open on up. No smoke issues at all. This cooker does well with that. It's 169 there. And this one here, oh wow, he's 153. This one's still going to need a little more time. Let me get that out. And I'll just go ahead and I'll flip this one over. Let it have a little more time. But this one's ready to come out, so set this one aside. That one in the 150s. Let's see. We'll do grill. We'll bring it down to 400. Let's do like just a few minutes. And by the way, I know all about carryover. It's not my thing. Over 800 videos here on the channel. I just don't like to do it. That's just the way it is. So go and do 3 more minutes. See if it gets up to like maybe 165 or so. And so I'll bring you back in a moment. Alright, 18 minutes for this one. Let's see what's going on. Now, let's see, 162, 163, 164. Well, this is where we, oh, 165, look at that. It's teetering. 165, yeah. So, let's see if I can get that thing off of there. But I think we're going to be good and safe now. Just needed a moment to figure out where it was at temperature-wise. I'm going to give them 5 minutes just to rest, reabsorb juices. Well, this one's already had almost 5 minutes, but I'm going to give this one 5 minutes, and then we'll cut that one open and see what's going on inside. Okay, so things have had a little time to reabsorb juices. You can see the juices all around the cutting board because juices are coming out that were kind of shrunk in while it was cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and cut right down the middle of this breast here, the larger of the two. And we see it's looking juicy in there. So I'm going to just cut a piece off here, and we'll go ahead and do ourselves a quick taste test with this one. Maybe I'll get a second just to have a second, but let's do a taste test. So thank God for some grilled chicken breasts. Let's go ahead and taste one. Excuse me, I'll have another. Okay, like to chew it fully, but very juicy. Turned out very good. So juicy, moist and juicy, tastes great. The seasoning turned out great. The mylar turned out, everything was great. I'm going to stop this video, eat some more because it's good. And so all I can say is that the Todd English did a good job on grilling those chicken breasts. It does a good job on grilling things. Gets that nice mylar on there. Real nice job. Real nice. So in the video description, there are lots of ways to help the channel. Nothing in this video is sponsored, nothing giving to me. And so basically it's like cookbook, merch, membership, donations, link to the Amazon shop where you pay the same price, help the channel. Also, you can always check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. That's superwaveovenrecipes.com. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.